Hello, it's me, Magnus from Heracles Machinery. I just want to show you guys our H130. This is our test unit. We have been testing it out here in Sweden. I just want to show you guys around, to show the different function of everything and all the details on the machine basically. So our H130 have two-way hydraulic. It has the return line, for example if you use a lawnmower or a snowblower. And since it's Avant quick hitch, there's 200 attachments available on the market. So it's many different kind of tools that you can use with this machine. And if we check this side, we have, this is the throttle. You can adjust the throttle. You have the choke, because this is a petrol engine. And then you have the fuel tank here. We have the fuel meter here. And then you have the start key here. And here you have the serial number sign, and this is very important for example, if you want to order spare parts or anything like that, you just email us with the serial number so we know what machine it is and what part you need. And then we have the joystick. It's the tilting function for example for the bucket, and you have up and down for the arm. And then you have the hydraulic function here. Turn off the engine. And then we have the light here as well. You can also order it with extra light from Strands. I think it's nice to have an extra light here for when it's dark outside, so you get good visibility. Also there's two lights in the back. And then we have the mechanical handbrake here. It's just mechanical pins that locks the front wheels. Very simple and very functional. Yeah. And service-wise, you have all joints is with a grease nipple, like any other machine. Just remember to put grease in all joints to make the machine last for a long lifetime. And also, you have 3 drive motors. It's one on each wheels. And together with this drive system and 22.5 horsepower, it's a really strong machine. This is the regular H130. It is with a petrol engine, 22.5 horsepower. But we will also have it available in electrical version. Imagine driving inside with electrical, silent, no smell, no fumes or anything. That's nice when you're going to drive inside a stable, for example. This machine is a hydrostatic drive, the hydraulic motor on each wheel. And this is the pedal for controlling forward or backward. So it's like a hydrostatic pedal basically. Very easy to drive, very easy to operate. The key selling point with this machine, it's the 3-wheel drive with the high angle of the steering. So it's perfect for narrow places. Actually, I should drive around here. You see that kind of driving of the machine in this small area, that's the main reason why you want this machine. You can just drive around in corners and stuff like that, in the stable, horse box, or yeah, basically that's what this machine is for. So now we have the narrow tires as well, and with those tires it's 905 millimeters wide, so you can drive through a door. So it's perfect for the stables. Contact us if you want more information. That's it. Have a good day. I will say it again. Just someone called me, that's why I need to take it too, it's important. Ja, hej Christer. Hej. Ja, du är på film nu, vi håller på och filmar. Så nu är du på TV. Han hjälper dig, Jan. Bra Christer, vi hörs. Hej. So, that's our H130. If you have any more questions, just send us an email and we will try to answer everything you want to know. Yeah, have a nice day.